You do not need to hire a developer to put a working chatbot on WhatsApp. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the free, no-code way to do it, and then the exact point where that free path stops being enough. Around 3 billion people use WhatsApp, and your customers are almost certainly among them. Here's the rule that makes automation matter. Every time a customer messages you, WhatsApp opens a 24-hour window where you can reply for free. Miss it, and the conversation goes cold. The free WhatsApp business app does more than most owners realize. It can auto-send a greeting to anyone who messages you for the first time, auto-reply an away message after hours, and store up to 50 saved quick replies for common questions. That alone covers a surprising amount. Setting it up takes about a minute. Open Business Tools, tap Greeting Message, turn it on, type "You're welcome," and choose who receives it. From that moment, every new customer gets an instant reply even when you're asleep. If you want more than canned replies, a Circumflex Euro's real menus, buttons, and branching paths. A Circumflex Euro's a no-code builder like ManyChat lets you drag and drop an entire flow with no programming. You design it visually, and it runs the conversation for you across WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. For predictable questions, this works beautifully. Someone asks if you're open, the bot answers instantly and offers a menu. Press 2, and it hands over a booking link. No human touched a single message. But the moment a customer asks something real, a Circumflex Euro's a specific size, a specific pickup time, 2 questions at once, a Circumflex Euro's a keyword bot has no idea what to do. It loops back to the menu, the customer gives up, and you've lost the sale. This is where the free path ends. A rules bot can't give genuine answers from your own information, can't see your live calendar to book a real slot, doesn't know your actual stock or prices, and can't smoothly hand a tricky chat to a human. Those 4 things need something smarter. The platform also changed under everyone's feet. Since July 2025, WhatsApp bills per message, not per conversation. Free tools have tightened to a Circumflex Euro's ManyChat's free, and entry plans no longer include WhatsApp at all. So automating it means a paid plan around $29 a month and up, plus Meta's separate per message fees on top. And since January 15, 2026, generic, open-ended AI assistants are banned. A Circumflex Euro's but structured business bots that handle support, bookings, and orders are exactly what's still allowed. So here's the honest comparison. A free do-it-yourself bot gives you canned replies and guesses at everything else. A proper no-code AI assistant answers from your own knowledge, books into your real calendar, knows your catalog, and keeps you inside WhatsApp's rules. A Circumflex Euro's all without you writing a line of code. Now watch the same impossible question. The AI checks stock, confirms the size, holds it for Saturday, and even offers a reminder. A Circumflex Euro's reading your real calendar and catalog in one reply. That's the difference between a script and an assistant. That assistant is Remarketly. It's the no-code way to put a real AI agent on your WhatsApp. A Circumflex Euro's one that answers from your own information, books your calendar, and knows your catalog, all while staying inside WhatsApp's rules. No developer required. Try it at Remarketly.io.